If you're looking for a drill to shoot faster with target transitions, here it is. This video is sponsored by Eclipse Holsters. Eclipse Holsters has truly changed the way we shop for holsters forever. Their holsters are completely customizable with a ton of different patterns, colors, and belt clips, and even custom aluminum washers. They meet all of my holster safety requirements, and they are custom made right here in America. The best part is that your holster will ship within just 3 days. Quality custom holsters, 0 wait time, and a lifetime guarantee. Check them out at eclipseholsters.com. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Today I've got my good friend Matthew with me. Say hi, Matthew.
Hey.
We are gonna shoot the casino drill from Tom Givens. So this drill is pretty spicy, it's pretty tough. So let's go over exactly what it is. All right, so this drill is really gonna focus on speed, accuracy, and target transitions. So we've got 6 different targets on here, and you're simply gonna draw and fire 1 on the 1, 2 on the 2, 3 on the 3, and so on. You have 3 mags with 7 rounds apiece, so a total of 21 rounds, and the goal is to get it in 21 seconds or less, which is pretty tough. To be honest with you guys, like, it's gonna be challenging for me. I've never shot this drill before, so I'm very curious to see where I am on time. Matthew has only been shooting for, what, 2 years maybe?
Yeah.
How long have you been like serious into shooting?
Serious, probably about a year.
About a year, okay. So Matthew is not quite where I am, and that's okay. So we know realistically that his time will probably be a little bit slower than mine. And if you are starting out as a beginner, or you're kind of intermediate level, and you wanna try this drill out, don't get too hung up on the time. If you're over the time, you know, if you wanna plan on doing it in 40 seconds or 30 seconds or 25, wherever you're at, just work from there. So let's give this a try and see where we're at. All right, so we're gonna be shooting at the 5-yard line, and we've got 3 mags with 7 rounds apiece. We've got 21 seconds to take them all out, so let's give it a try. Oh man, that was rough. All right, so my final time was 15:88, and I had 1 miss. As you guys can see, I missed 1 on the 6, just barely. It's almost a line break, but I can't count it in good conscience. So that would put me 1 point down or 1 second down. So instead of 15:88, that would be a 16:88. I'll be honest, I fumbled both of those reloads. I felt really uncomfortable changing mags for some reason. So that was a struggle for me, but I'm pretty happy with that. I'm pretty satisfied my first time being a 16:88 when you count the miss.
Okay, all right.
So let's see how Matthew does. Drop your mag. Beautiful. Nice. All right, so that was in 29:30. So not bad at all for your first time running the drill. No misses, so his accuracy was better than me. That one on the number 4 is definitely a line break because it's touching the yellow. Like I said, make your standards where you are. Like 29:30 for Matthew for where he's at. Again, first time running this drill, that's awesome. Like, that's a really good time. I always feel like I'm chasing people that are way better than me, right? One of my heroes is Adam Winch with Defenders USA. I think when Adam shot this, he ran it in like 12, 13 seconds, something like that. That's not where I am. So if I set my goal where Adam's goals are, which is, you know, somebody who's been shooting 20, 30, 60 years, he's not that much older than me. I just like to pick on him. But somebody who's been doing it a lot longer than me and a lot more competent and confident in their shooting, then I'm gonna feel really defeated. So set your goal realistically where you are today and then push yourself to be better tomorrow. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below and comment and let us know what drill should we do next. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.